Good day, everyone. So our topic for today is on how to display a graph or charts in your application using this MIT App Inventor IDE. Okay, for the first step, we need to go here in palette section and go to the layout and drag and drop a vertical arrangement here inside your viewer and change or set the height and width as fill parent, fill parent. Okay, step 2, go to the charts and select this chart and drag and drop here inside your vertical arrangement and change the height and width into fill parent. Okay. After this, drag and drop a chart data 2D under this chart. Okay. So if you want to change your chart background, kindly click your chart component and go to the properties and under the appearance, kindly look for the background color default and click this default and choose your preferred color. So I would like to choose this orange color and click the save button. Okay. From the properties of this chart component, you can define the type of your chart as a line, scatter, area, bar, or pie chart under this behavior. Okay. So as you can see here, we have a one line of data and has a 4 value. Okay. So as you can see here, we have only a one line of data. So this because of this chart data 2D. This is very important in your chart because if you want to have another set of data, you have to drag another chart data 2D here under your chart component. Okay. And if you want to change the color of this set of data, okay, you have to go here and select color. For example, this cyan. Okay, now so let's go back to your chart component. Okay. Okay, since we only need a one set of data, so we should delete that one. Okay, go back to our chart component. As you can see here, we have a 4 value. Okay. This value here should be a 0. So we have to change it. We have to change the value here as 0. So kindly go to your properties and look for the labels from string. Okay. To change the name of your value, you have to type here, for example, 0. Since we need to change the first value as 0, okay, we type here a 0 and then comma, space. For example, your second value is oil, comma, space, and what else? Salt, comma, onion, comma, garlic, garlic. If you want to add another value, you have to put a comma after adding another value. Okay, so since we have only 4 value here, so I like to put a 4 value only and enter. So if you want to change your graph type or chart type, you have to go here under the behavior. Okay, since you are required to display a bar graph. Okay, let's change your line chart as bar. Okay. Okay, now for the value of your each bar or each data here, we have to go to the properties of chart data 2D. Okay. Under the behavior, we can see here elements from pairs text box. And you can type here the first pairs. For example, what is our first data? It is the oil. You can type here the oil and then comma, so comma. For example, how many people demanded to use oil? For example, 7. We have 7 people, or 7% of people demanded to use a oil. Okay, for your second value, we have a salt. Okay. So how many people demanded to use salt? For example, 10. Okay. For the third, for the third, sorry, for the third data, for the third bar, we have a onion, ano, third, and then that is for onion. We have 5 people. Our fourth one is garlic, right? Our fourth one is a garlic. And how many people demanded to use a garlic? For example, 12 people. Enter. Ayan. So that is how powerful this chart in our app. Okay. So this is how you display a chart in your application. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope you've learned something from this discussion, and bye bye.